spoke of silence, a darkness on the map, an island lost to memory, caught within the trap. Motufetu sleeping deep beneath the heavy blue, a sacrifice of knowledge for the world to start anew. I feel the ancient sorrow, the pain of being torn, the spirit of a people who feel perpetually forlorn. Nalo built a wall of water, a fortress made of dread, to separate the living from the voices of the dead. But every island's heartbeat is connected by the wave, and all the scattered peoples are the ones we need to save. Motufetu's heart is beating, a rhythm we must find, the key to all the cultures that the ocean left behind. It holds the truth of unity, the map of where we stand, the hope to bring the life back to every distant land. And the ocean is the bloodstream, the spirit is the flow, and when we touch the island, the power starts to grow. The Kakamora are waiting, the people of the reef, all bound by the same sadness, all suffering the same grief. We break the curse together with Lodo and Moni's hands. We mend the fragile future across the watery sands. The greatest strength of all is not the power of one, but the countless hands united beneath the rising sun. The demigod gave his strength, the wayfinder gave her all, to answer the ancestors' most important call, to sacrifice the self, to save the greater whole, to bring the life back to the sea, to every lonely soul. Motufetu's heart is beating, a rhythm we must find, the key to all the cultures that the ocean left behind. It holds the truth of unity, the map of where we stand, the hope to bring the life back to every distant land. The ocean is the bloodstream, the spirit is the flow, and when we touch the island, the power starts to grow. Starts to grow.